fire. Yes, all this. I'm just waiting to see what the. Oh, what's that? Oh, hello, we got something. Look, we got a UFO. Hello, everybody. Oh my god. I'm waiting for it to come. Oh wow. Hello, up there. Oh my god. It's going over there. It's all coming this way, so let's see.
For example, we did some new math, okay? And actually we think that the accident happened 5 minutes before John O'Keefe's phone, was being used. Do you want that report? Brendan would have said, I don't want to hear it. Let's not get into that. So
hello up there. I've been waiting, and you came. You never disappoint me. Thank you so much. Oh, fireworks behind me. Oh my god, look at this. This is amazing. It's actually moving. Oh, where's it going? Where's it going? Where's it going? Oh, it's moving. It's going away from me. There's fireworks over there. Look. Oh, what's that? Fucking hell, what's that here tonight? Oh, this is definitely a UFO. Where is it? This is definitely a UFO. He's gone. It's not a plane or anything. Oh my god, how exciting is this? I'm watching the Karen Reid trials. That's in the background. Sorry about that. I'm holding my phone. He's gone right over there. Disappearing. Going. Oh, bye. Oh, it's gone behind all the clouds. Oh, hi guys. Just a quick note at the end. Just to show you some of the stills from the video. I was just sitting out there again. I just had a feeling something was going to come over. Sitting there on my own in the dark, watching Karen Reid trial. And did you hear that song that came on the radio, The Power of Love? It's a mysterious thing, mysterious, curious, and then the fireworks. Is that a coincidence? I don't know. It sounds, I mean, I don't know what that was. I've never seen those colours before. That lovely turquoise. There's nothing with that colour. I've had red and green now, and it's turquoise, and you notice it went white and gold as well in some of the pictures. So just another little treat anyway. Eventually some answers will be forthcoming. Maybe I'll get somebody interested enough to do a little bit of research on them and find out what these things are, and I'm never going to find out what they want unless they tell me themselves. I don't trust any pleb on this planet, and do any of you blame me after what's happened? So I want to hear it from the horse's mouth. Bye for now.